It's official. I've officially gone cordless. Yo, what's up, everybody? This is B. Adams, and we are reporting live from Adams Barbershop, 5138 West Madison, Chicago, Illinois, 60644. Yes, as you heard on the intro, it is true. I have now decided to go cordless, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking the years-long bond of me being bonded to the cords, I have decided to cut ties, not totally. I just wanted to try out a new product, and what I decided to go with was the Andis GTX Exo. This is new territory. I am new grounds I'm walking on right now. Yes, if you are a fan of the OG T outliner, the Andis T outliner, you are like me. You love the power. You love every time you cut it on, you just go right into it. It was hard to make this transition. So I did a little testing to see just how much this clipper can take. Oh yeah, you know me, I'm a real, authentic, true barber to the bone. I'm gonna put it through all the rigorous testing. I'm gonna put it through everything, day in and day out of cutting hair, all of the crowds that come in and out. I'm gonna put these things through the mud, through boot camp, barber boot camp. These do retail for around 160, one something. I'm not sure exactly the exact price. You probably can pick them up somewhere in the low hundreds. I actually picked these up on the infamous Facebook Marketplace for 75 bucks. Brand spanking new out of the box. Brand spanking new out the box. $75. You can't beat it. I pay full price when you can get a great deal, is what I always say. Of course, this is just my personal views of my personal experience. No, this is no official Andis GTX Exo review, because Andis is not paying me, okay? Andis is not paying me. So this is just my personal views on what I feel about the Andis GTX Exo, especially since it's my first time going cordless. And here we go, GTX Exo, right out of the box. Fresh out the box, like I said, brand new, $75 off Facebook Marketplace. You can't beat it. Amazing deal. I can say I'm a little impressed with the packaging. You know, a box within a box. Couple of beauty shots of it on its stand. You see the light illuminating by the power switch. I can say these are very lightweight, almost like a feather in my hand. It's like I'm holding nothing almost. And if you didn't know, the GTX blade, the teeth are longer than the normal T outliner blade because it's supposed to be able to get in there and chop that hair more efficiently. We're going to test that theory out in a second. Look at that. They even come with guards. Man, ain't nobody finna use that. Get out of here. Couple of replacement pieces for your blade that attaches from your blade to the clipper in case you destroy yours in the process of cutting. Gonna need that. And here we have it. The OG versus the newbie. This is, of course, the OG Andis T outliner, the one we all know and love with the magnetic motor. And here is the Andis GTX Exo, of course, with the rotary motor. Now it's time to get down and dirty and see what they can do. Let's go. Kick things off with a little light fuzz just to see how they can take it at this level of hair. They are performing pretty well. As you can see, they are tackling the job, going through the hair just as my regular T outliners would perform. I didn't have any complaints. They didn't seem to be pulling. They feel a little different. I can definitely say the in-hand experience definitely feels a little different. Takes a little while to get used to, but no complaints thus far. Take it up a notch. Moving right along into thicker territory. You can see that those liner blades are still performing quite nicely, mowing through that hair like a John Deere. I have, in fact, zero gap these liner blades as I do all of my liner blades. Here is where it got ugly. We're going to call this the final boss because at this point, this is the thickest hair that I have run these liners through. And as soon as I thought, man, you know what? They are taking it down. They are mowing it down. Wait a minute. What's that? It's getting stuck. It's getting stuck. I see it has reached a breaking point. You know what? We're going to give it one more chance. Try one more again just to see. It might have been a glitch in the matrix. You never know with these type of things. But wait a minute. What is getting stuck again? Oh, it's getting stuck. It's getting stuck again. It's getting stuck again. Yeah, buddy. I think we have reached a breaking point. Now that we know what they can't do, let's go into a little bit of what they were actually made to do. As I'm performing this hairline, the first thought that comes to mind is these definitely do not feel like your standard Andis T outliners with the cord attached. They are not pulling, but it doesn't feel as smooth of a swipe as if I were using the regular T Andis outliners with the cord attached. Now, with that being said, you can clearly see that they are actually performing quite nicely on the lineup. You got to tap dance that thing to death. You got to tap dance it. But they actually perform quite nicely on the lineup. I was actually impressed with how they are performing on the lineup. The blade does have a crisp chop to it. And I can say that's one thing that I do like about these. Even though it has that slight drag, that's okay. We can see what that GTX blade with the longer teeth was actually meant to do. The job it was actually meant to perform. Get her done. And as soon as I thought this was going to be a bust, and I may have wasted my money, turns out I did something pretty cool using these puppies. Check it out. I'm not gonna lie. I was super impressed. Not only did they perform very well, they overperformed. It worked so good, I almost didn't have to put the razor on the graphic. So yeah, I can say my opinion quickly changed directly after this performance on the GTX Exo. Do I have a final verdict? Not really. It's a sort of a mixed review type of thing right now. I'm seeing the things that they can do and the things that they can't do. But you already know I can't sit here with y'all and talk all day. I got hair to put on the floor. And yes, I know I need to shave. I'm going to shave using these as soon as the workday is over with and see how they feel on myself personally. But it's time to go. I got to go. I got hair to put on the floor. Yes, of course, I will be putting these through more rigorous, vigorous testing just to see if they can stand the test. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see just how much I could put these through till I break them. But until next time, people, I'm B. Adams, reporting live from Adams Barbershop, 5138 West Madison, Chicago, Illinois, 60644. Till the next time.